Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to change. That is about s equals to negative t. So when we change s into negative t, this one we need to change to so negative and negative, we have the positive. So this one we change by this one. S we change by negative t. So this one we have t to the power of 6 because this is about even power. Similar for this one, this is about even power. This is about odd power, so we have negative t to the power of 7 and we have the negative in here. So we can put negative go outside because this is about the cubic root. Next, we can do about factorization in here by t to the power of 7. So this one I will put outside. Now, this one we can do about factorization by t to the power of 6. Now, this one divided by this one. So we have t to the power of number 6 minus 7 over 3. So this one we will have about 11 over 3. Now, when t approaches to positive infinity, number 3 divided by positive infinity, you got about 0. Similar this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now, because we still have the power in here, so when t approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. However, we have the negative sign in here, so this one they will go to negative infinity. This is the end. Thank you for watching.